Hi guys, EverNote and Notion are two services to take notes and manage projects. But which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I will explain the main differences between EverNote and Notion, and will consider 8 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We will leave a link below this video in which you can get free accounts for Notion and EverNote, so you can also try them out for yourselves, risk-free. If you compare these two note-taking apps, you will sense a ton of similarities. Notion and EverNote both let you take and organize notes, are compatible with Android and Apple devices, offer templates, have web clipper. We can go on. So let's find out which is better for you. For the ease of use, when comparing ease of use, the verdict depends on the user. However, Notion has a steeper learning curve compared to EverNote. After some practice and poking around the platform, users can get the hang of Notion and how to create templates, files, and customizations to meet their needs. Some users have reported that learning to use Notion requires a hefty time investment. It has more features and is more customizable, which can be good or bad depending on your needs. EverNote's interface is slightly more intuitive and easy to follow. The sidebar makes it easy to track down notes and tasks. New users may be able to get the hang of EverNote much more quickly than Notion. That's not to say that each interface doesn't have its own benefits. One platform may appeal to you more than the other. It's really about what your needs are, how much time you have to invest in learning a new platform, and which tool will help you achieve your productivity goals. Now for the templates, both EverNote and Notion provide a complete library of templates to choose from to help get you started with your next projects. However, with Notion, there is more flexibility in terms of template style and content blocks, as Notion uses a built-in block method for its user interface. So, if complete customization of your project management templates is important to you and your team, you may want to give Notion a try. While there are EverNote templates out there, there is nowhere near to the same selection as what's on offer for Notion. And that's because EverNote doesn't have the same feature set. It does one thing and one thing well, lets you take notes. So for taking notes, EverNote has a range of features that supports this purpose. Notes can be typed out, web clipper means can be attached from the web or scanned in. One of their key features is their document scanning software. You can scan any physical documents with your camera and upload it to your notes. You can also add attachments including photos and audio recordings. EverNote also offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to formatting notes. You can create checklists, tables, and even presentations. The mobile app is impressive. You can capture text and images, attach PDFs and documents, and even use the scanning feature to capture handwritten notes, receipts, documents, and drawings on whiteboards. Notion is also a strong option for note-taking. The Notion is a bit more versatile than EverNote. In addition to taking notes, you can also create to-do lists, calendars, and wiki pages. And while Notion works very well on browser and desktop apps, the mobile app isn't as agile when dealing with big databases. EverNote has the edge here, as it will load quickly enough to capture that idea before it fits into nothingness. So if you are mainly looking for note-taking app, EverNote is probably the better option. Now for the customization, Notion is the clear winner for a customizable workspace experience. With Notion, users have control over how they organize their information, the modifications they make to predefined templates, and how they want to combine various blocks. There's a lot of flexibility built into Notion. On the other hand, EverNote is more structured and less flexible. It's great for organizational purposes, particularly for users looking for predefined structure and who care less about customizing their work and files. Now for the integration, Notion allows you to embed content blocks to a Notion page from a variety of different sources. These include Google Drive, GitHub, Figma, and more. However, integration is sadly Notion's biggest weakness. You may have to rely on Zapier or Automist.io for your integrations because it lacks direct integrations with most other tools like Gmail, Microsoft Outlook, and more. This can be annoying because there are so many better alternatives that don't need help to integrate with your preferred apps. On the other hand, you can conveniently integrate some of the most popular tools with EverNote, such as Gmail, Google Drive, Salesforce, Slack, Outlook. For example, you can save incoming emails into your EverNote notes easily without leaving the Gmail app. Now for searching, when you have a few notes, it's no worry. But when you have unlimited storage and write thousands of notes, you can't rely on manually finding what you need. That's when the search feature comes in handy. In Notion, you can search notes using the quick find functionality. To do so, you must type in the keywords you are looking for. After that, you can sort your search as per your preference. Some of the sorting options include created news first, created oldest first, best matches. EverNote is a bit more advanced with its search functionality. There are many ways to find things quickly on this productivity app. Use the descriptive search and type in something like notes with images or notes with budgets. Search things in a specific notebook by typing notebook, then insert name of the notebook. Create a saved search for quick finds instead of using the search bar again and again. Now for the security, Notion uses TLS security protocol within and outside the data centers for their app. They run 100% on Amazon Web Services cloud within a VPN, so thus public access is denied. Notion encrypts data at rest and in transit, but not end-to-end, as they claim that would make the search function impossible to use. EverNote also uses TLS security for their mixed cloud service physical data centers. They use Google Cloud Platform to run their service, which protects data with AES 256 encryption. Now for the pricing. Pricing is often what makes or breaks a deal. The pricing plans for Notion are more than fair. The personal plan, free for personal use to organize your life. You have access to unlimited blogs and pages and the ability to share with 5 guests. You are also able to sync across devices and use their API. The Personal Pro plan, $4 per month billed annually or $5 billed monthly. You get all the feature options in the Personal plan as well as unlimited file upload, unlimited guests, and 30-day version history. And the Team plan, $10 per month, you get everything you get in the Personal Pro plan as well as unlimited team members, collab workspace, sharing permission, and admin tools. Enterprise is also available for large teams, and you have to speak to the sales team if you want to look into this option more. EverNote has 4 plans including free, personal, professional, and teams. These prices are for the monthly subscription. The free plan costs $0, comes with 60 MB of monthly storage and the ability to sync 2 devices, which can potentially make it not suitable for most businesses. The personal plan subscription costs $9 per month, which ups the monthly upload limit to 10 GB and takes your maximum note size from 25 MB to 200 MB. You can also sync across unlimited devices and start getting more creative with features like the ability to create custom templates and text formatting and markup images and PDFs. For $11 per month, professional plan subscribers gain access to task management tools as well as 20 GB of storage. You can also export notebooks into PDFs. Teams costs $15 per month with an annual subscription. You can collaborate in shared spaces with this plan. These prices may change with time. For details, you can check for the official websites. Link in the description. So choosing between EverNote and Notion depends on your business and your needs. EverNote is better if you are looking for a quick start note-taking app with all the tricky bits figured out for you. If you want to capture a wider variety of ideas and content faster. If you only care about notes, as not much about tasks, projects management, or collaboration. Notion is better if you want to build your own note-taking system, if you need a more collaborative app, if you want to also track tasks and projects in the same tool, and if you need a pocket-friendly option. Notion is the right app. It has most of EverNote's features at a far more friendly pricing point. At the end of the day, both Notion and EverNote are excellent top-tier picks when it comes to project management and note-taking apps. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, that helps a lot, thank you. So hopefully this video helped you out, and yeah, bye bye.